Hi, here's your explanation for your assignment, The Perception of Queen Elizabeth II. Queen Elizabeth II was a British monarch who reigned for 70 years, overseeing 54 countries in the Commonwealth. Her death on September 8, 2022 marked not only the end of the longest reigning monarch in British history, but how her death was received very differently among her constituents. Earlier this week, you learned about this monarch and the reality of her life. Now it's time to learn about how she was perceived. In this final assignment, for this unit, you will explore the death of Queen Elizabeth. You will explore the death of Queen Elizabeth. You will discover how those in Britain received her death and how those in the former colonies received her death. Then you will connect these ideas to the world around you. So, for this assignment, you will be expected to create text citations. If you go to easybib.com, you can simply click on website and copy and paste the URL into the citation. Okay, there's no excuse to not have those citations for this assignment. So your first task is to find an article that discusses how Britain received the news of Queen Elizabeth's passing. So you'll need to put the citation, and then you'll need to write a one-paragraph summary of the passage. Task 2, find an article that discusses how the colonies received the news of Queen Elizabeth's passing. Again, you need to make sure that you have a correct citation. Use this website, it's totally fine, and then write a one-paragraph summary. I need to see a substantial summary here. Task 3, you're going to reflect, and you're going to consider the different perspectives of how these two populations handle the news of her passing. In a one-paragraph response, what does that tell you about perception versus reality? Cite evidence from your two sources to support your response. Task 4, think about how leadership in our own country is conveyed. How are perception and reality of an individual impacted by the information and experiences they are given? What can you do with this information moving forward? So you'll need to make sure that you answer 1, 2, 3 of those questions fully for that last response. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I look forward to reading your response. Thank you.